Hello guys, and welcome back to another class of our course about the complete introduction to Photoshop. So in today's class we are going to talk about sizing and resizing our project. So basically what we are going to do for the purpose of this course is pretty simple. We are going to use our past pictures to create a really basic poster. So you'll see it's gonna be pretty simple. And what we'll do also, we are going to resize our poster. So pretty simple. What I'll ask you guys to do at first is you will need to, have some pictures. So let's say we have a few pictures right here. So here we go. All our pictures are there. So as you can see, makes a cheese, someone who's smiling. So basically, someone who's smiling. All right, so this would be our poster, if we want to say it this way, and basically each part of the poster is a picture. Now, if we look at our, project, we have two types of sizing. We can size the image, we can size the canvas. Basically, when we size the image, we don't size the whole project, but if we size the canvas, we size the project. So what exactly is the canvas? The canvas is basically like the background, or what exactly we want to work with. So if you want to look at it in a certain way, we can say that the canvas will be the background, basically the big background where you will draw, and the image will simply be the drawing that you have made. So basically you can resize your drawing. But if your canvas or your background is not big enough, well, it's not gonna work. So let me just explain to you. So right now we have a certain, we have a certain picture that has certain dimensions. Let's say we want to resize the whole picture. So basically what we want to do, we want to resize the canvas. So how exactly we can resize it? It's pretty simple. So first of all, what we need to know what size we want. So as I said, we want to create a poster. So what we'll do, we'll simply go on File and New. And then we are going to go in Art and Illustration. And here we have our poster. So basically we know that a poster should be 18 inch by 24 inch. So we know our how big a poster is. So what we'll do right now, we'll simply go in on our image right here. And as you can see here, we can resize the image size or the canvas size. So what we'll do, we'll resize the canvas size. So here we have our, we can size it in pixels or we can size it in inches. So what we'll do, we'll size everything in inches. So what we want to do right now is simply resize it in inches. So as I said, 18 by 24. And that's it. What we'll do, we'll simply click on OK. So as you can see right now, we have a way bigger canvas or background. So just to show you what it looks like. So as you can see now, our poster, as you can see, if we want to create a real size poster, we need to make it way bigger. So we need to add more pictures, we need to add way more things. Now if we want to resize the image, if we try to resize the image and see what it looks like. So let's say we want to resize the image. So basically it's pretty much the same thing, but what we'll resize the image, not necessarily the background. So let's say we want to resize the image right here. And let's say we want to, instead of 18, we want to put, I don't know. Here we want to put 24 by 32. And we click on OK. So what's gonna happen? The image will get resized. So right now it's happening, and you will see what it will give us as a result. It's not the background that will be resized, or the whole not the whole project that will be resized, but simply the images inside of the project. So for now it's so as you can see right now, everything is getting resized. All right. So I can't resize it because the disk is full, so basically it takes a lot of space, but you get the point. So pretty simple. If you guys want to resize the whole project, well, if you guys want to resize the background or the whole project, it's pretty simple. You need to resize the canvas. So as I said, the canvas is basically where you will draw your project. And when you want to, if you want to resize the image, or if you want to resize what's inside the project, or if you want to use if you want to use my example, you want to resize your drawing, it's pretty simple. You will simply resize the image, and basically what's going to happen is that the images will become bigger. So basically that's what happens when you resize the image. but when you resize the canvas, it will resize the project. So I hope right now, guys, you understand how it works for sizes. So that's it for this class, guys, and see you all in our next class.